I already didn't.
But me na me say.
Sure.
England for no bobo. But for one per records no. Ghana participation in the World Cup no. The second game you lose it.
Right.
And na e wo mitrim say eye den a e be ye adwuma. It's
the second game.
Second game.
Okay.
From 2006 up to 2026 20 years in the 5 times ya World Cup in the second game there.
You lose that. Odi be hwe ade no mame.
And England so second game one more break.
Okay.
Then I me person me can say on the international stage and on the world stage. It do baby primarily no. Enye ade say the wo no na eye adwuma. Akokwa it's about mentality.
Okay. Adwene no.
Omo second half no to say the Jordan catch them say be strong in your minds.
Be strong.
What say okay yo. So be strong in your minds.
Akokwa that club ko je tu ato no ya ye sad ne man. Say ewiase no hwe eye mebuse metedo no miensa je mu nson say enipa say de wo dwen wo koma mu no sa na wote. Enti no say as we are going on a world stage, no bia obonzo bia babia na mehwe ball. A ball 70 minutes na ga ba ko say we there omo share cry ya there and am say your problem new. Na me catch again say your problem new.
We give up easily.
Yeah. I mean we always settle for less. But didn't say we a world stage nyame moja enam omumu no and we be na enam yemu.
Yeah.
Yenya yemu gidie na with the right setup no.
It's true. Omo England for na nkasa feel Jeff, if you can put baby party ne yiko hage no. And you see they knew themselves already there, but with the game you saw that.
And I think say I mean from the senior level this is the best, you know. Yenya Sami Kufomo don't mention but just young people
omo are young and energetic,
absolutely solid. And no man train say pese ye bibi see nya sa de ne kan abrabo ho a ye betimi akọ animu.
And you could imagine a few years ahead of us say young guys he gain experience you could see how normal be because they are even just starting and look at how they are playing.
And when we are doing we tournament here team are young players no we have performance the US look at how they are performing for US performance for Spain
excuse me make us back say so what you say US ni Brazil ko bobo and na any Austria any me find say only Argentina born at Austria no who Argentina say we nipa na me nipa and na British Africans no anytime bia no
we look down on ourselves, low self-esteem.
Absolutely.
We need to work on that.
We need to work on see to me ye ho adwuma on the world stage no ye nim nkogu aseda but de bia na sa na ehu ye hu say oh we mu de ye kwakoso so ama ya so ye kwakoye bia hwe but with boys no my they more
sure.
I mean their determination, resoluteness and everything it was absolutely on point. And I think say if be able to keep that omutimi koso krasa ball no de any ball ho but and I be so no me share Ghana ball nyina de be na me ka say de bia Ghana ball no you bought 3 natural midfielders. Many sports journalists are judging almost see modern day football is wide in one. But football, you need your number 6, your number 8, and your number 10. But the Biania Kobo say double pivot. But now me patenic Sibo no mujinona, the Biame for the no muchify so. But when we had 3 midfielders, Calabrinchi, Pate, and Kwasisibo, at least we managed to control the midfield. Declan Rice, Elliot Anderson, and Bellingham. We were able to match them boot for boot. So I'm saying that is our style from 1990 World Cup. From that time, Ghana boy, we play midfielders. And the ball. At least what players I understand say good, but the point is say. Yamoma baso okay my idea
right
I'm not nya side way kan ho a ebetimi akọ so per analysis na as it stands now Ghana will play Colombia said the tie Colombia
okay when we qualify
Colombia and either Colombia or Portugal see it me this second
because someone no be so can say Congo and say
Colombia say but your top group need there you top there you go face Cape Verde.
Wow right thank you very much Nhyira 104.5
if you sure
yeah
Ghana we were the beacon of Africa. When we entered into the quarterfinals.
Okay.
I hope so. You may repeat this.
Sure. All right. Thank you very much. Nhyira 104.5 into the Black Stars of Ghana performance.